Hi everyone, Greg Davis with MarineMax in Savannah. I want to give you a walkthrough of a brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. One of the first that we've received. This is their light blue full hull color with the chrome graphics. Comes with a very nice galvanized trailer. Has the swing away tongue on the front, easy for storage in the garage. Couple options on this boat. This boat has the Teak Package, has the 115 Mercury outboard 4-stroke. There's the Teak boarding ladder. You can see it also has the optional rear seating that does come out, gives you plenty of room for fishing. This one has a big live well in the flip-flop seat. It's also rigged with the Raymarine electronics package. Fusion stereo, the fishing package. You can see one of the great redesigned features of a very large fish box cooler and a dedicated anchor storage. This one's wired with a trolling motor panel. We can put Minn Kota Motor Guide trolling motors on it for you. Of course, down here you need the bimini top. Offers a lot of room in a 17-foot boat. For more information on this boat or any that MarineMax sells, you can call us here, 912-897-9881. Thank you.